Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya More. Today's date is 2nd April 2024. Today's video topic is features of Java. So in this video we will discuss about features of Java. So let's start the video. The primary objective of the Java programming language is creation was to make it a portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features of Java which play an important role in the popularity of this Java programming language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzwords. So uh, there are some features like simple to use, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secure, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. So first one is simple. Java is very simple to learn, and its syntax is also simple, clean, and easy to understand. According to the Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on the C++. So easier for programmers to learn it after C++. Java has removed many complicated and ready used features, rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers and operator overloading, etc. There are there are no need to remove the undefined unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collection is used in Java. Next is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize the our software of a combination of different types of object that incorporate both data and behavior. Object-oriented programming is a mandatory that simplifies software development and the maintenance by providing some rules. Basic concept of hooks are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, uh, abstraction, and encapsulation. Next is platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, which can compile into a platform specific machines with while Java is a write once and run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which our program runs. Here are two types of platforms. First one is software based, and second one is hardware based platform. So Java provides the software based platform to run the Java programs. Uh, the Java platform differs from the most of other platforms in the sense that it is a software based platform that runs on the top of the other hardware based platform, and it is also has two components. First one is runtime environment, and second one is API, that is application programming interfaces. Java code can be executed on multiple platforms. For example, Windows, Linux, Sun Solars, Mac OS. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can run on multiple platforms, that is write once and run anywhere. That is Aura concept. Java is a secured language. Java is best known as known for its security. We can develop virus-free system. Java is secured because no explicit pointer are used, and Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.